Hey there, my lovelies. I've got a special treat for you today. I am sharing another recipe, which is my really famous carrot cupcakes. I say famous because it's famous among my friends and customers. It's simple, very easy to do, and delicious. So without further ado, let's get on to the recipe. So we'll need 1 cup of shredded carrots here to start. That's roughly about a medium-sized carrot. And then we have here 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Make sure that you sift it. And then we've also got 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we'll also add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we'll also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And we'll just sift it all together. And then set it aside. For the wet ingredients, we only have a couple of them, and we'll start with half a cup of vegetable oil. Of course, you can use whatever oil, like canola oil, if you have that. And then we'll add 2 large eggs into the oil, and we'll just whisk it so that it's incorporated properly, and we break down the eggs because we're not using any mixer here for this recipe. And then we'll go back to our dry ingredients. We'll just add 1 cup of white sugar, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we'll pour our wet ingredients into that dry mixture. And also we'll add half a cup of crushed pineapple, which is actually basically the secret recipe to this, or secret ingredient to this recipe. And now that all the ingredients are added, we'll just mix it with our spatula. As you can see, this recipe only uses 1 bowl, which is great. You don't need to wash a lot of dishes later on. And just make sure that you mix it properly. You don't need to mix it too much. As long as it's all incorporated, then you should be good. So this recipe would come up to a dozen of cupcakes. So make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, and we'll bake it to about 16 to 18 minutes, depending on when your cupcake is done. Just make sure you insert a toothpick to test it out, and then if it comes out clean, then you're good to go. And it's done. Obviously, I wasn't able to take a video of when it was done from the oven, but I actually had to make 4 dozens of carrot cupcakes over the Easter weekend, and I paired it with my cream cheese buttercream or cream cheese frosting. I have a recipe for that on my channel. Please do check it out. It is the best pairing, honestly. Like, it's the best cream cheese frosting you'll ever have. It's very smooth, pipable, and stable as well. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below if you've tried it, how it went for you. It's very simple, and it's also very moist. I forgot to say that. So thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.